Monster Log 3. Sand Crab. A few hours after my crash, I finally decided to investigate the nearby area. As I moved past a particularly large mound of sand, it began to shift and roar. From it erupted a giant crab-like beast standing above me at 10 feet tall with claws the size of a small man. The giant crab moves surprisingly fast for its size. The foliage growing on its back indicates that they stay still for long periods of time. This crab is either extremely patient or hibernates regularly. After exhausting my supplies and taking it down, I salvaged what meat I could. Very chewy, but not unpleasant. Looking across the beach, I spot many similar mounds of sand. I must keep moving. Daylight is coming.